Hello, welcome to India Sisters Kitchen. This is Amu and
Lata. Today the recipe we are going to make is Kaara Chutney using onion, tomato and coconut. Spicy and delicious Kaara Chutney is a perfect combination for all different items. Let's see how to make this tasty chutney.
Before that, please subscribe to India Sisters Kitchen channel. Click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a video.
Now turn on the stove and place the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it. Let it heat.
Akka, the oil is hot.
Add 8 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger chopped in slices and saute it lightly. Just saute it for a few seconds. Then add 5 dry red chillies and 3 Kashmiri chillies. If you don't have Kashmiri chillies, you can use dry red chillies itself. Next, add 2 big onions chopped and saute it nicely. Ammu, saute it well. Onion must be sauteed thoroughly.
Akka, onion sauteed well.
Okay. Next, add 2 big tomatoes chopped and continue to saute. Tomatoes must be sauteed well. For that, add a pinch of salt.
Tomatoes and onions have been sauteed well without any raw smell. Only then it will taste nice.
Now add 4 tablespoons of grated coconut. Ammu, saute it a little. With that, add some coriander leaves and some curry leaves. Mix all together nicely and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add this size of tamarind to it. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well and transfer it to a plate to cool it. Now it's cooled off. Let's grind it in a mixie. Ground chutney is ready. Let's temper some ingredients and add to it. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to a tadka pan and heat it. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of black gram, 1 teaspoon of Bengal gram, 2 dry red chillies and some curry leaves. Temper it and add to the chutney. That's it. Super tasty, spicy Kaara Chutney is ready.
If you like this video, please like, share and comment. We will meet you with another wonderful recipe. Thanks for watching our video.